Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To save a selection and reuse it in the future, first make the selection you want to save. Then choose Select, Save Selection from the menu bar to launch the Save Selection dialog box. Here you can select the type of selection to save. Select the New choice from the Selection drop-down menu to save a new selection. If saving a new selection, type a name for the selection into the Name field. If you have saved an existing selection in the image and want to use the current selection to add, subtract, or intersect with it, then instead choose the name of the saved selection from the Selection drop-down, and then choose the operation to perform with the existing saved selection from the Operations section. To save the selection as a channel in the image when you are ready, click the OK button. To load a saved selection, open the image into which you have saved the selection. Choose Select, Load Selection from the menu bar. Use the Selection drop-down to choose the selection. To invert the selection, check the Invert checkbox. To apply a saved selection and have it interact with an existing selection, choose the Interaction from the Operations section. To load the selection, click the OK button. To delete a saved selection, choose Select, Delete Selection from the menu bar. In the Delete Selection dialog box that appears, choose the saved selection to delete and then click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.